Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous fridge magnet for Gudi Padwa festival, which is the Hindu New Year we celebrate in India and around the world. So I will share how to create this super cute paper quilling gudi along with the nut, which is the beautiful nose ornament which Maharashtrian woman wears. And also I have converted this into fridge magnet, so you can use this as a decor piece as well. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking 8 cm diameter cardboard circle and I am sticking 2 cardboard circles together to create thick base. Then sticking it on purple color paper. And just start cutting small fringes, add little glue and connect with the circle. Like this. Then taking one more same size dark purple color cardstock and sticking it on top of the base like this. And our fridge magnet base is ready. Then here I am taking 1/8 strip of red color and 1/8 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared lots of shapes of tight coils. These two are made using half strip of red and 1/4 strip of yellow. These are made using 1/4 strip of white and 1/4 strip of yellow, and with this I am connecting 1/8 strip of yellow color tight coil. So we need total 8 these type of shapes. Then we need these tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip of red color and 1/8 strip of yellow color. These are made using 1/8 strip of green, 1/8 strip of yellow. Then the next tight coil is made using 1/4 strip of white and 1/8 strip of yellow. These two are made using 1/4 strip of yellow, and these 8 are made using 1/8 strip of yellow. Now taking back my base, and first I am going to create the nut using all the shapes which I have created. Now to create the string to close the nut, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 4 quantity. So I have divided one strip in 4 parts. Gather all together, fold it from center and start rotating it using pointed tweezer. Then just curl in opposite direction. Secure all the ends using glue. And it should look like this. Then I am sticking it between these two patterns and it will complete the look of the nut. And this is completely ready. Just wiping out the extra glue marks immediately to create the work clean and neat. And this is looking absolutely adorable. Now to create Gudi colors, here I am taking 6 strips of golden color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome. Adding glue inside the dome. Here I am taking one strip of golden color in 3 mm and making the top portion of the colors, that is the neck area. Then add glue on top of this and sticking some golden color strip on top. Cut the excess strips and I'm going to stick this pattern with the colors. And this is ready. Then I am coloring my colors again using gold acrylic color to give it nice metallic look. Like this. Then it's time to decorate the colors using some pearl chain and ball chains. And this is ready. Then to create the vastra or the dress of Gudi, here I am taking half strip of pink color and 1/4 strip of dark green color in 5 mm and making one cone shape. Add glue inside the cone, spread it nicely with brush. Similarly, we need 2 more, so in total we need 3 big cones and 2 small cones which are made using 1/4 strip of pink and 1/4 strip of green color in 5 mm. Now to create the bottom stick, here I am taking 8 cm long round stick, wrapping dark purple color strip around this. And then alternatively wrapping golden strip. Like this. Now taking one purple color cardstock, and I am arranging my goodie on top of this. So first adding the kalash, then adding the below fabric, like this. After that I am just cutting the extra cardstock from edge. Then sticking the stick like this. And this is ready. Now to create the marigold flower garland, here I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow color in 5 mm and creating the small fringes like this. Then making a fringe flower using quilling tool. Just secure the end and open all the fringes. And the super cute marigold flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more. Now I am sticking the marigold garland like this. And also decorating with some pearl to create the pearl garland. So this is done. Now to create the neem leaf, here I am taking small green color leaf shapes and sticking it on the strip, and this is done. Now I am sticking the neem leaf on one corner of the goodie. And the super cute goodie is completely ready. Now taking back the base, and I am writing the message Gudi Padwa using my white marker. And then sticking the goodie on left side. Like this. Then decorating the bottom empty part using pearl chain. Then adding some random dots of golden acrylic color here and there just to fill the gaps. And then it's time to connect the magnet on back side exactly in the center. So adhering the magnet using B7000 glue and allow it to dry for a few minutes. And the super gorgeous fridge magnet for Gudi Padwa festival is completely ready. You can gift it to your nearer and dearer ones, and you can decorate your home as well. So wishing you all a very happy Hindu New Year. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.